Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Low miles. Features also include alloy wheels, sync, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive 2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, security system, power door locks, power windows, power steering, vinyl seats, reading lamps front. Come take a test drive today.